Okay, this is a brief demonstration of how to use Autovue to assemble Pro Engineer parts and Solidworks parts in the same environment. I'm going to be using this plate dot part from Pro E and this bolt 3 solid part from Solidworks. So what I'll do is I'll start off with the plate part, and I'll open it up into its own window in Autovue. So you have to start with something to begin with. And once I have this opened, I'm going to increase the size just slightly so we can see this better. And what I'll do is I'm going to use the import file for mockup, and just do a quick Agile search here. We'll just type in bolt 3, and we'll make this a file folder type search. I'll put the asterisk on the end here, and then I'm just going to select this SolidWorks part. Now when it comes in, it may end up in the middle of the part, so what I want to do is first I just want to use my manipulate and move that part out just so I can see this a little better. So I'm just going to pull it up here for a second. And then what I want to do is I want to use my tools under manipulate to align parts. So this is where I can actually go in and start doing alignments for standard parts in the assembly. So in this case I want to use an coincident. I'm going to do a coincident on this top surface here, using my fixed face for this top. Now I'll just align that to the top surface of the actual plate here. Now the next thing I want to do is I'm going to do a concentric alignment, and I'm going to align this outer body of the cylinder for the bolt to the inner cylinder surface of the plate. And so I'll drop it in, I'm just going to apply it and close. So now you see that I've got the two parts loaded in here. One's from Pro E, the plate, and then the other bolt is from SolidWorks. What I'd like to do is just do a quick analysis. So I'm just going to do a fit check here for interference. And so in this case I can say against all, meaning all parts, from this base plate, I can give a minimum clearance distance. I'm just going to put in 5 thousandths. If I compute that, it's going to give me an interference of 1, and if I click on this, it'll show me what's interfering. Now the reason being is when I designed the plate versus the bolt, the head is just a little bit larger. It's just slightly deep into the plate counterbore surface there. So that's what you're seeing is a collision there. That's what's happening. But it gives you an idea of what you can do with this. So once you have parts installed and inserted in the assembly, you can actually go and do fit checks and make sure everything lines up. So anyways, hopefully that helps, and thanks for your time.